everybody, my name is Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a beauty maintenance vlog for vacation because in 6 days I will be traveling to Europe. If you know me, you know I love to stay on a flight. I'm going to show you guys waxing, nails, hair, and the cost breakdown of all that stuff because I like to do my vacay prep in an affordable way. This is not going to be one of those like $1,500, $1,000 vacay prep. Like, it's not going to be like that. We're in a recession. This is for the girlies that want to save some money. I'm going to show you guys what I do the regular way. First stop was my wax appointment. I got a bikini full wax and that was $60. Today I'll be doing the rest of my maintenance, so I'm actually on the way from work to the nail salon to get my mani-pedi. Okay guys, so I finally pulled up at the nail salon. This is what my nails are looking like right now. That's crazy. Last time I went to the nail salon, I definitely went too short, but now that they've grown out a bit, I think I'm happy with this length. I type for work, so I like to keep my nails pretty short. I'm also heavy-handed, so when I would get long nails, I found myself breaking my nails all the time and it would be super painful. So I think I'm just gonna stick with short, even on vacation. Yes, like hot girl down, but that's fine. Getting the mold thingy, so I'm very happy with how it came out. It's just so cute, so simple, so me, so classy. The total for my nails was $92.67. That's including nails and toes, and I tipped my nail girl $15. She did both my nails and toes. So I'm on my way home now, and when I get home, we're gonna get into my wash day routine and the hairstyle that I'm doing, as well as waxing my armpits. I think I'm gonna do my armpits first because that won't take too long. Okay everyone, so I just got home. I'm about to get into my armpit wax. That's crazy. And my eyebrows shortly, as well as my hair. But I'm just excited because I got a new phone. So it's not like a new phone, but I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and when I tell you this phone is like tore up and it's moving all slow now, but I really didn't want to get a new iPhone like the iPhone 16, so they sent me a new phone for like $100. I'm really over the having to have the latest iPhone literally every 2 years. Like, I'm not doing it. I'm gonna run upstairs and start my wax pot just so it could heat up while I'm getting this phone set up. Okay guys, so I have my wax pot and we're gonna get into it. This is what we're looking like. So I have my scissors, my razor, and my tweezers, brush. and some oil. So the first thing I'm gonna do is shape the brows. Okay, everyone, so my eyebrows are done. Ooh, don't mind the hair gel. We're about to do my wash day routine. I'm gonna start taking out these braids. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm finally done taking out my hair. Now I'm gonna start my wash day routine and I'll show you guys what I use. So I start off with this treatment. I section my hair and then I spray it with this. And then after I spray it with that, I go in with Olaplex number 3. I let that sit in my hair for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I go in with shampoo and conditioner. It's not the most affordable brand, but this hair care routine has been really good for my hair. So I'm willing to spend the little coin. I think each one of these products is about $32. Let's see, I'm not doing mental math. We'll say this is about $128 in total, but of course I bought these beforehand, so I guess it's like free. Just use what you have if you're trying to follow what I'm doing right now. Okay guys, so I have the hair treatment in. As I said before, I'm gonna leave it for about 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay everybody, I'm back and now I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm not gonna do any clips of me in the shower because y'all know how to wash your hair. I start off with the Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo And I chose to get the clarifying shampoo just because I personally do my hair once a month. So there's a lot of product buildup, and I found other shampoos I was using wasn't getting everything out. Like my hair still felt kind of dirty after shampooing it multiple times. And then I'm gonna go in with the Bond Maintenance conditioner. And while I'm in the shower, I do like to use my little, what's this called? My scalp massager. And because this is a maintenance video, I think I'm gonna go ahead and shave my legs in the shower one time. And I'm also going to wash my face and everything like that. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower and now I'm just gonna moisturize my face and do my whole like night care routine, and then I'm gonna get back into my hair before it gets too dry. So I'm gonna run and do that right now. Okay, so I'm back. Now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. And at this point it's 11:20, so I'm not finishing the hairstyle today. I'm just gonna blow dry it, do my hair in the morning. So I use Blue Magic to blow dry. I use Olaplex bonding oil as well. And then once I'm done with the entire process, I go in with, I forgot the name of it, and I oil my scalp with this. It is around 12:30 right now, so I'm going to sleep. I will see you guys in the morning, and we're gonna finish my hair and this vlog. Good afternoon, whoa. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm back. I spent the whole entire morning cleaning because that's a part of vacay prep too. Nobody wants to come back home to a dirty house. And then my mom did my cornrows so I can install my Yanky twists. So now I'm looking like, so this is the braiding pattern. So she did like 2 that turns into 1. And because I want to be able to put my hair up, she did the sides like this, going around the back, and so on. So I hope that's helpful for you guys if you want to do this hairstyle as well. Unfortunately, I do not know how to cornrow. I can do everything but cornrow, so my mom has to do that for me. I got these Yanky twists from Amazon. The brand is Toyotress. I got these twists in the color 1B. I bought the 12 pack, and these are 12 inches. So let's get into the install. Each one of these packs come with 30 twists. It's not as full in the back as I'd like it to be. I don't even know what the back is looking like right now. Ooh, I feel something. So I think I'm gonna buy maybe like one more pack of hair. So it's the next day and I actually installed 2 more packs of hair. So I bought it on Amazon and it came the next day, which is today of course, because I really like the full look. So this is what we're looking like now and I think it's so cute. Like, that's pretty much my vacay prep. Hair, nails, toes, waxing, eyebrows, and that's pretty much it. In terms of skincare, I just do my normal skincare. The day before, I'll probably do a face mask and some under eye pads. So that's it. I feel like my vacay prep compared to other girlies online is a little bit more affordable. So if you got any tips, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part was. You don't need to spend a band. You don't need to spend a band to go on vacation. Like, just look cute. You don't need to spend a band. Like, just be resourceful. I say that, but the only thing I did, yeah, just be resourceful. Like, I did my armpits by myself. I did my eyebrows by myself. I did my hair kind of sort of by myself. My mom did help me with the cornrows, but you gotta use your resources, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this video, please. It helps me out a lot. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.